The Assembly of the Republic is the parliament of the Turkish Republic of Northern Cyprus. It has 50 members, elected for a 5-year term by mitigated proportional representation. A party must cross the election threshold to be awarded any seats. The parliament is composed of 50 MPs, chosen from 6 electoral districts, which are coterminous with the districts of Northern Cyprus, Lefkoşa, Gazimağusa, Girne, Güzelyurt, Lefke and İskele. In Northern Cyprus parliamentary elections, voters vote for individual candidates. There are 2 ways of voting. Voters can vote for a party, which in effect is voting for every MP candidate from that party in that district once. The voter can further prioritize the MPs in this kind of voting. Alternatively, the voter may not choose a party, but vote for candidates from different parties. In this kind of mixed voting, the voter cannot choose more than the number of MPs the district is allotted.